the role of distance learning in teacher professional development. With the advancement of the new technologies and computers and different other media, there is a change in all aspects of the life. Everyday life is really impacted either directly or indirectly, either significantly or insignificantly, either negatively or positively by the technology. And the same is the case with the education, teacher training, and because with the help of the media, particularly the technology, the effectiveness of distance learning is increasing day by day. And the computers and the access to the internet is really a revolutionary step in the education as a field, and which provides the access to the abundant informations and repository of the knowledge to the learner, to the individual, to the teachers, whatsoever the category of the professional is. Therefore, the technology or the distance education has been playing a very effective role in the teacher training and like other fields of education. As we discussed with the CD-ROM and other ways and means, you can have a deposit of huge knowledge and huge resources which are accessible either online or offline. You can use your resources for your sake. www has a really new trend, and the World Wide Web has really changed the entire system of life. It's not only the professional life but the personal life, and from the children to the old age individuals are getting benefits of technology. Now the teachers which are already qualified and the educated peoples, they know how to select the proper or the which one material for their benefit, and they can use with their own pace, with their own facilities, with their own feasibility, or whatever the resources are available on the websites and different by the different organizations and the associations. And plenty of the material is available. It's not only taking care of the adding of your knowledge, but they have been successful to give you hands-on, to facilitate you in hands-on practices. So this type of the things makes distance learning effective for the different purposes of training and retraining and education and the learning. And the effectiveness and advantages of the distance education for the professional development or the teacher training are based on different inputs. The context, the goals, plan and implementation process, knowledge and beliefs and strategies and the critical issues. Context is very important parameters of understanding everything, to know what is the context of the things and how to go further, how to go ahead with this context. And it depends on that what kind of the curriculum, what kind of the assessment, what kind of the instructions and the policies and the learning environment are there. It is related with the context, and how to and what are the available resources in terms of the time and money and expertise for the professional development of the teachers. So this is the context, what are the resources available, and how to use these resources. This aspect, if we relate with the distance education, and it is compatible with what is the curriculum, what is the assessment, what is the challenge, what is the time, what is the money, what are the other physical resources, is the distance education is justifying or facilitating these types of the things. The other is set goal, plan and implementation process. there is definitely need of the logical sequence of the goal setting, and then planning, and then implementing, and then reflecting the things. A brief assessment of each of the phase of the implementation is expected for the teacher training and effective teacher professional development of the teachers. And this we have to relate with the distance education. Is distance education capable of providing this type of the facilities to an individual, to an administrator, to the professional, to the teachers, to the manager? There are two goals necessary to be kept in mind. Goals for teacher flow directly out from goals to the students, and the other is goals for the students, which are informed by referring to the standards and data about the teacher performance needs and available. So it again has to assess or relate with the distance education or the distance learning. Knowledge and the beliefs. What kind of the knowledge and the experiences, the beliefs the teachers do have really, and what kind of the barriers they are facing, and they know the importance of learning by distance education, and because of the urgency, it is international. The international studies or the literature says that the distance education has always been helpful in terms of the urgency. If there is urgency of implementing the programs, then the programs are offered through distance education, so that on the urgent basis, within minimum time, maximum level of the output can be achieved. And then it depends of the what are the beliefs, what are the knowledge that the teachers possess, and what kind of the facilities and the options are available with the distance education. And strategies, what kind of the strategies the distance mode of education provides for the professional development of the teachers. Mode of instructional delivery, in what way I have to teach through distance education. It will be either online or offline, we can say the synchronous. And what kind of the mode, either it is the instructional material or it is the recorded lectures, etc. And the radio and the television and internet, written and recorded material, these are different things that strategies that has to be adopted for the professional development of the teachers, that falls with the main frame of the distance education. There are critical issues. In the teacher training programs or the professional development of the programs, professional development of the teachers, and to assess the needs properly, so as to list what are the several issues being faced for the training of the teachers, regardless what is the context. So these are the issues to be enlisted, and these issues are professionally, which are those: culture, from which culture the teachers are there, the learners are from, the leadership, the capacity building, and sustainability, that for example, we are inculcating or developing this skill for the teachers, whether it is sustainable or not, really it will be giving the fruits or the results or not, and the time evaluation and the assessments. So these are the issues that need to be addressed for the sustainable programs for the development of the teachers training. Uses of the distance education, as has discussed, the distance education with the advancement in the technologies has been very successful in offering professional development programs, not only for the teachers, but the different sectors or the different fields of the professions. The countries can prepare great numbers of the teachers for the teaching profession, raise their professional quality and the level of the education. For example, one is a bachelor degree, he can have a master degree through distance education. For example, if one has a very good command on the teaching strategies, but weak in the assessment and the evaluation, distance education can be used for this one. And there is a need of the holistic professional development of the teachers. Distance education can be used for the training of the teachers. Another thing, because of resources and the challenges, the teachers cannot be spared for the training. Therefore, while working on the job place, the teachers can be provided training. This is only option available with the distance education. And the thirdly is formal education benefit from the teaching material and approaches and methods and techniques that are used for the teacher training programs through distance education are also utilized for residential education. So these both conventional systems and the distance education could be mixed in the blended approach and could be used in the different for the different purposes with equal importance. Distance education, we can conclude that distance education is used for the support of the teachers for the career development. There are tangible, there are verifiable evidences in the literature from advanced countries to the developing countries that for the career progression, for career development through the professional development of the distance education has been used very efficiently, very effectively. Teachers can improve their qualities, or they want to expert in the education or in the educational management, and with the new skills and with the new competencies, they can get benefit of the distance education. The programs now are designed very logically with the different instructional designs through distance mode of education, keeping in view the different challenges, different contexts, different requirement of the teachers, and ample resources are online available for the training of the teachers. And where there is a need of not only the adding the existing programs, supplementing or complementing the existing programs, conventional programs of the teacher training, the distance education has proved very viable and result oriented. Distance education also has been used, as I mentioned earlier, for the skill development through the flexible learning environment worldwide.